Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to our friends and our dear lecturer, Sir Muhammad Razi bin Muhammad Khair. And we are here today to talk about the product by Perodua. Our content in this video consists of company background, Perodua product, process, layout, location, conclusion and recommendation. This is our group members start with myself, Nurul Izzah, and my friends Nur Fatihah, Hani Suraya, Iman Balkis and Nurul Najihah. So, we're gonna start the presentation about the company background by Hani Suraya.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hani Suraya and I'm going to present about introductions to backgrounds company. Were established in 1993, Perodua begins its journey as a second national car company to serve the nation's needed for an affordable and industry-leading quality compact car. From the ever-popular Perodua Kancil, introduced to the Malaysian market in August 1994, Perodua has developed into a strong and dynamic group with a comprehensive range of vehicles renowned for its quality and unsurpassed reliability. Besides manufacturing cars, Perodua also produced engine component parts for both local and international car makers, which have built the automotive industry in Malaysia. Our vendor development program helps over 100 local parts suppliers improve component quality cost and delivery, which is known as QCD.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Iman Balkis binti Muhammad Idris and I will talk about the Perodua product. The automotive industry comprises a wide range of companies and organizations involved in the design, development, manufacturing, marketing, and selling of motor vehicles. It is one of the world's large industry by revenue. The automotive industry emulation consists of 27 vehicle producers and over 640 component manufacturers. Perodua is the largest manufacturer, closely followed by Proton. There are 8 cars that have this. Perodua was established in 1992 and launched its first product or car, the Perodua Kancil, in August 1994. The Perodua Kancil, also known as Perodua Nipah in United Kingdom and Daihatsu Ceria in Indonesia, is a city car manufactured by Malaysian automobile manufacturer Perodua. With prices starting at less than 25,000, the Perodua Kancil quickly became Malaysia's most affordably priced new car and a smashing success. Next, Perodua Azia has become the most favorite car of many people because its size. The Perodua Azia is a 5-door hatchback. It was launched on 15 September 2014 as a successor to the V-Bar. The car takes over the title of being the most affordable car in Malaysia from the V-Bar and the best-selling car in Malaysia from the Myvi. Last but not least, Perodua also is the other main attraction to the family because it is a B-segment MPV. It was launched on 23 November 2009 as the company's first purpose-built MPV. The name Alza is derived from the Spanish verb alza, which means to rise. Thank you. I will pass to the next presenter.
Okay, thank you Nur Balkis for passing to me. Now I'm going to continue with process. Step number 1, stamping. First and foremost, we are going to use metal stamping process to convert flat metal sheets into specific shapes. It is a complex process that can include several metal forming techniques, which is included blanking, punching, blending, and piercing, to name a few. It involves placing flat sheet metal in either coil or blank form into a stamping press. In the press, a tool and die surface form the metal into the desired shape. Number 2, which is welding. Now, for the welding process, each piece is fitted and welded using high heat. This part of the operation is often done by robots. After each piece is welded in place, it is tested tested to ensure that it meets all standards. Number 3. Okay, in this step, the body part will be clean and low. The car will be sent off to the line of painting. It is painted 4 times, which is the primer is the first step. The car will be passed through a paint pool with electricity flowing through it. This is to prevent the part from rusting. Which is final assembly. Once the frame is created and the parts are ready to be assembled, the car will be loaded into the production line. The car will be traveled along a moving assembly line in the factory as robots and people will work on them. Manufacturing plant workers will attach parts to the car and will work alongside robots for certain tasks. And for step number 5, which is quality assurance and safety. In this step, the car's programming will be run through a series of tests and the electrical units will be checked to ensure safety and assessment. For the last step, which is launching, after performing market research, developing a marketing team, and defining a price of our car, the car will be produced for car dealerships and private dealers to sell to the public. That's all from me. We pass to Nurul Izzah.
Thank you. Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Izzah binti Haji Muhammad Yusof. And next we're going to continue to the next slide about product layout. Product layout is the entrance of a data flow model. It contains one and only one process and does not show any data store. From my research, I found 2 types of layout, which is product layout and process-oriented layout that related with the Perodua. First, product layout apply to a manufacturing system in which workstation and facility are located along the production line. As you can see in the picture, customer and mechanic are entities who will interact with the system. In between the process and external entities, there are data flow that indicate the existence of information exchange between the entities and the system. And secondly, process-oriented layout. There are 3 processes, which is 2 external entities and 3 data store that included in the process-oriented design. Based on the diagram, we know that the perform inspection process provide bill to the customer and store the inspection result into the inspection data store. The perform maintenance or repairing process uses the inspection result from the inspection data store as basis for creating a bill for the customer. Work detail is also stored in the work record data store and parts information is stored in the parts inventory data store. As conclusion, in this diagram show how the perform maintenance or repairing process take the inspection result as input and produce a bill. Work details and parts info with to order specifies. That's all for me. Thank you. We're going to continue with the next presenter. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nurul Najah binti Anwar. I continue with presentation location. Okay, first of all, automotive business must frequently make location selection when they want to expand, which can include extending a current building, adding new site, or relocating existing one. Here are several factors to consider when selecting the best business location, which is competition. The location choose is fairly not supposed to be a popular one. There are chances that the competition around is high. As far as possible, try to make sure that there are no competing business within a reasonable distance from the location that we choose. Other than that is think about supplier. Supplier may have an impact on location depending on industry. Price and quality are important consideration when selecting a supplier, but product quality has a significant impact on productivity. For better and faster operational process, consider the location of company to make it much easier for vendors to deliver goods and provide the required service. Next is economic factor. Interest rate, disposable income, unemployment rate, retail price and index, which is inflation, gross domestic product, which is GDP, and exchange rate are all economic factor. These elements have significant impact on how business operate and make choice. Every country economy is heavily influenced by the automotive industry. Furthermore, technological factors also play the role. Ecological and environmental aspects like R&D activity, automation, technology incentive, and advancement of technology are examples of technological factors. Thank you. That's all from me. I pass to the next presenter.
So let's move to the conclusion. Based on the information given, we can conclude that Perodua is struggling and striving for the best performance of their company. Even Perodua had ups and downs during their journey in compete with other competitors, Perodua still keep on their track by producing the attractive designs compared to Proton. So, next is Perodua is the company that friendly vehicle maker. It has been proven according to the Malaysia Budget 2019 table over the course of the day, the government will provide a petrol subsidy to any vehicle with a capacity 1.5 litre and below with exemptions given to luxury segment model. So, as the friendly vehicle maker, of course, Perodua does not want its buyer to be burdened with the erratic increase in petrol prices every month. Fortunately, as a Perodua car owner, you do not have to worry about all that because all Perodua cars are guaranteed petrol subsidy friendly. And last but not least, instead of preserving the best products they well to do, Perodua also concerned with the customer satisfaction as their current corporate slogan is building cars people first. With the trust of customers, Perodua has won a lot of awards including People's Choice Automotive category in Gold by Putra Brand Award in 2017 and also 2018. So a big applause to Perodua with the success and hopefully they will keep doing the best. So that's all for the conclusion. We move to the recommendation. So let's continue with the recommendation of the Perodua company. After analyzed with the report, the best recommendation for Perodua is the company must develop the long-term strategy as the preparation for any unexpected event. We cannot predict what will happen in the future. Might be the situation of the economy turns to the uncertain conditions, which the company might lose or having some financial stability. Let's move to the next point, which is Perodua must modernize their business process by invest in the smart machine equipment. So what can the Perodua do in order to have the good cash flow while at the same time offering the best and affordable price to their customers? Firstly, the Perodua must realize that they should modernize their business process by investing in the smart machine equipment. Perodua can upgrade the machine as the equipment to produce the product within the short time. And last but not least is stay organized. Perodua must be well prepared by having backup plan in case something bad happen. The company which able to have the best strategies is the company that will have the bright future. Perodua must identify new and potentially unique ideas to achieve its goal. As example, switch to an alternative strategy to reach a goal and generate new ideas or innovative solution.
That's all from our presentation today. We hope this video will gain you knowledge in Perodua company. Thank you.